Howdy freeze dryers, day 5 of eating only freeze dried food. In case you missed it, I'm doing 21 meals in a row, 7 days of freeze dried food. That's the only thing I have to eat. And today's menu is going to be more ingredients focused because today we're gonna make a breakfast smoothie. For lunch, we're gonna make a guacamole and Cowboy caviar quesadilla. And for dinner, we're gonna have homemade wild turkey and noodles. Let's get started. In the last couple of years, I've really found the benefits of freeze-dried fruit powder and vegetable powder to be really one of the greatest superpowers of the freeze dryer, and I do a smoothie every single morning using freeze-dried stuff, with the exception of the 7 days of freeze-dried food. But this morning I am going to make a smoothie, and I'm going to start with pumpkin puree. And pumpkin puree is actually a really good dairy replacer. If you or someone you know is lactose intolerant and they don't want to do dairy, pumpkin puree does a really good job of thickening things up just like dairy does. This pumpkin puree is from December of 2021, and it's going to give us a great base for our smoothie this morning. Then we're going to add a fruit powder and some greens powder. You can see greens powder here. I use that every single morning. It's a good way to sneak in some extra greens and nutrients. I have cherry, blueberry, peach, banana, raspberry, and pineapple. I think this morning we will go with some blueberry, and then I like to add in some peanut butter powder and then some protein powder. Add a little water and milk and blend. Very blueberry-y. You take fresh ingredients, you preserve them until you are ready to use them, and they're fresh as the day they were picked. You control the ingredients, you control the flavors, and most of all, you control when you use them. Our lunch is gonna be about assembly cooking with some freeze-dried food, and that's one great thing about freeze-dried food is that you can just take pantry-style ingredients, rehydrate them, and make all kinds of recipes. So we have some Cowboy caviar, which is freeze-dried black beans, corn, onions, black-eyed peas, jalapenos, avocado chunks, tomatoes, and just a variety of things. You can use this for all types of different stuff. I use it for a topper. You can also use it for a chip dip. Lots of options here. And then we have some guacamole. You can see they are vacuum sealed in cubes from dividers. These make them portion sized. Before we rehydrate this next meal, make sure you check out freezedryingsupplies.com. All of these meals and my previous recipe videos were all made using freezedryingsupplies.com accessories. We'll add a splash of lemon juice to help it keep from browning with some water, and then that will give us some fresh guacamole. Cowboy caviar rehydrates beautifully. Look at all those colors. I add some to a tortilla, slice of pepper jack, top that with another tortilla, into the air fryer or the oven for a few minutes. And then you have a crunchy quesadilla topped with rehydrated guacamole. You have a quick, fresh, healthy lunch. Finally, for dinner, let's rehydrate some freeze-dried comfort food, some homemade wild turkey with homemade noodles from January of 2020. Something to note, all of these recipes that we're rehydrating can be found at the freezedryingcookbook.com. These are all past recipes that we have done in prior videos over the course of the last 8+ years. So if you want some free recipes and an all-access pass to today's recipes and many, many others, make sure you check out the freezedryingcookbook.com. As far as comfort food goes, it just doesn't get any better than this. Low-fat meat like turkey that's shredded like this just does better than any other kind of meat. This meal just reminds me of being a little kid again at my grandma's house. This was her recipe. This is what she always fed us. These homemade noodles rehydrate beautifully. Look at the chunks of turkey and turkey gravy on there. This is going to rehydrate exactly how you want it. These thick homemade noodles did take a little bit to rehydrate, but now that they're rehydrated, look at all that delicious turkey gravy. The noodles look like they were just freshly made and boiled. The chunks of turkey all look good. There's all kinds of spices and flavor in there. I can't wait to try this. I think I'm actually eating better these last 5 days than I normally would, and I only have 6 meals left after this one. I can't wait to see what's in store for tomorrow, day 6. Hey, you Are you unlocking your full potential as a freeze dryer? If you're not signed up for the freeze drying community email list, you're missing out on pro freeze drying tips and freeze dryer giveaways, the latest sales, inspirational people in the freeze drying community, as well as invaluable food storage recipes. And most important, unlocking your inner freeze drying guru. Click the first link in the description to get signed up.